حقيقة ركلتان حقيقة ركلتان
Hello and welcome to week 16 of Radio Kai. We hope you enjoy week 15 of Radio Kai. The winner last week of our quiz was Cannell Inn with 14 points.
Well done, Cannell Inn. Yeah, Alison.
Well done.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done.
So, also this week we got a new feature as well, haven't we? Which is called Guess a Song. It's a new feature where we play 5 different songs and you have to guess which songs they are. This replaces our old mystery voice feature, where the voices used to be the same every week, weren't they, Alison? Yeah. So also, we got our birthdays with Oshan, where he tells you about the people, and you have to guess which people they are. Also, Ethan is back this week with his transport, where he'll get you from A to B this week. We're not sure where he's going to take us this week, but it might be somewhere nice or somewhere hot. Who knows? Also, there's a quiz this week about famous artists. On the back of your sheet, you should see a quiz where there's different artists, and you have to guess which artists they are. Also, Ethan is back with news around the school and news around the world this week, with our news updates. Also, our sports presenters, Max and Peter, is here with your sports updates this week.
This week, special guest this week is Tamara, who from her Inn.
Okay, so our first song we're starting off with, you have to guess which song this is from the lyrics I'm going to say here now. And it's a song from 1984, and here's a bit of the lyrics for you. Friday night, and the guys fresh off work. Let me give you a go. Friday night, and the guys fresh off work. Could you guess which song it is? It's coming up right now.
Some are looking to get hurt. Some going down to the store wearing trouble on their shirts. I work for the county out on 95. Obey a whole red flag and watch the traffic pass me by. In my head I keep a picture of a pretty little miss. Someday, mister, I'm gonna lead a better life than this. Working on the highway and down the blacktop. Getting on the highway all day long, I don't stop. Getting on the highway, blasting through the bedrock. Getting on the highway, working on the highway. I met her at a dance down at the Union Hall. She was standing with her brothers back up against the wall. Sometimes we go walking down the Union track. One day I look straight at her and she looks straight back. So I'm working on the highway, laying down the blacktop. Getting on the highway all day long, I don't stop. Getting on the highway, blasting through the bedrock. Getting on the highway, working on the highway. Saved up my money and I put it all away. I went to see her daddy, but we didn't have much to say. Some can't you see that she's just a little girl? She don't know nothing about this cool, cool world. We lived out down in Florida, we got along alright. One day our brothers came and got her, and they took me in a black and white. The prosecutor kept a promise that he made on that day. And the judge got mad and he put me straight away. Now I get up every morning to the work bell climb. Me and the warden go swinging on the Charlotte County road. I'm working on the highway and down the blacktop. Getting on the highway all day long, I don't stop. Getting on the highway, blasting through the bedrock. Getting on the highway.
did you guess which song that first one was? If you got it correctly, it was Working on the Highway by Bruce Springsteen from 1984. Now it's time for a new feature here on Radio Kai. It's called Guess a Song. This is a brand new feature, which is a rebrand of the Mystery Voice.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery Voice. Mystery Voice.
So, we play out 5 different songs, and you have to guess which ones they are. So here's our first song for this week.
We can't go on together with suspicious minds, and we can't build our dreams on suspicious minds.
Song number 2 for this week.
Is this the way to Amarillo? Every night I've been hugging my pillow, dreaming dreams of Amarillo, and sweet Marie who waits for me.
Song number 3 for this week.
That you feel we was up in phase in a dance hall days.
Song number 4 week.
I'm free to be who I choose any old time. I say love me, hold me, love me, hold me.
Song number 5 this week. Hope you got the song freshly. The next song is Happy Radio.
An automatic alarm turns my radio on before my feet can hit the floor. The music's got me ready to go, and all through the whole day I know my favorite record's still playing. It helps me chase all my blues away when I can hear that DJ say that this is station AJPPY. We plan to help your day go by. I sing with a musical natural high. Oh, station AJPPY. We plan to help your day go by. Musical natural high. Yes, it is on station AJPPY. Whoa. You should hear them every day, yeah. Well, while driving home in my car, now Happy Radio is never too far. I just reach out my hand and turn the dial, and I know they will make me smile. 'Cause this is station AJPPY. We plan to help your day go by. I sing it's a musical natural high. Yes, it is on station AJPPY. We plan to help your day go by.
The last song was Happy by Radio Edwin Starr. Now we got the birthdays.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
At the end, I'll give you the answers for the birthday. So basically, how it works is like I say who's having a birthday, and then have to guess the answers. Then at the end of the show or the birthday, I'll give you the answers, and if you got it right, well done. And if you got it wrong, oh well then.
Nice luck next time, yeah?
Yeah, nice luck next time. Well done, Dion.
Yeah, Don.
Yeah.
The first birthday of this week is, he is a pop singer.
Oh, pop singer.
He lives in, oh, kidding me, not again, Wrexham, England. I just been this for a few weeks ago, and I said, Wrexham, England, never heard of the place. Now I'm going to say it again. Wrexham, England, I'd never heard of the place before.
Have you heard of Fortune Don?
No.
No, at all. He is 53 years old. He is a member of a group, Take That. Anyone knows who Take That is? Well, I'll explain you now, won't I? A band member, that group whose album Progress become the fastest selling album in 21st century. The band's original 5 members were... Oh, I can't tell you who the first one is because that's going to be answered. You can find out later. Howard, Donald, Mark, Owen, Jason, Orange and Robbie Williams. Now, anyone knows who's Robbie Williams? Dion, Dylan, anyone who know Robbie Williams?
Yeah, we know him.
Yeah.
And he got a group of himself, and he sang like, I'll just sing one song.
Rock DJ.
Rock DJ, correct. Well done, Dion. The second of this week is, drum roll, a dart player who is 17 years old. Hold it a second. He's born in 2007. I'm 17. He's 17. He's a dart player. Anyone knows who a dart player is? He's famous and he's 17 years old. Lives in Runcorn. By the way, by Liverpool. He's in England. He is living in Runcorn. But I was just saying, why not just say a little bit about Liverpool, shall we? Well, so, like I said, Liverpool's a good place, that's why. There's a Beatles Museum in Liverpool and United Kingdom, and it's really good. There's a pizza place in Liverpool, and there is a music arena, that obviously I've been a lot of times, and I'm going to Liverpool again this year to see Bruce Springsteen and lots of the winners. So also there's a airport there, John Lennon's airport, and there's Albert Dock there, and you should visit it. If you're not in the United Kingdom, that's a 100% good place to visit. Isn't it, Dion and Dylan?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Because I've gone there a million of times. And I'm going there again a million of times this year. Yay! And for people who don't know Liverpool, obviously it's a rubbish team, but anyway, I'll just say it anyway. Liverpool FC. It's from Liverpool, and they got a stadium at Liverpool
Called Anfield.
And also, I'm sorry to say this, but I'll say it anyway, because someone I know who support Liverpool. I'm just going to say it anyway, just in case he'll hear it. It's rubbish. It's totally rubbish team, and also it is very, very, very good stadium, but it's a rubbish team. So here in Kybe, there's one supporter of Liverpool. Actually, that's who I am talking about all along. It is Mr. Who, the headmaster, Aled Who. He is a headmaster here in Kybe. Oh well, so like I said, there's a Liverpool supporter, and it's a rubbish team, and Liverpool is in the Premier League. For those who know Premier League Liverpool United Kingdom, third of this week is she is a pop singer. She lives in London. Does anyone know where is it? Say now.
Yes.
London, United Kingdom. I've been there. Really good place. Have you been there, Dion or Dolan?
No, we haven't been to London, no, Don.
No.
Ethan, have you been then?
No.
About trains. Do you know which type of trains are in London? There is London Underground, are where Ethan.
Yes.
It's a good place. Yes, Dion and Dolan?
Yes, it is a really good place, isn't it, Don?
Yeah.
It's a good place, isn't it, Ethan? Especially a London Underground with trains for you, yeah?
Yes, indeed.
Exactly, Ethan. So there is London Tower there, and there is London Bridge there, and what is it, Dion?
The London Eye, John.
And Big Ben, remember? And there's obviously Shrek Museum. There's Mr. Holland, or should I say, for everyone who don't know Mr. Holland, it's Sir Holland. Had got an interview last couple of weeks. Do you remember? It's week 14 that Sir Holland, or Mr. Holland, has got interview. Week 14. Well done, I would say. It's a good interview. Was it, boys? It's really good interview, was it?
Yes, it was.
Yeah.
She is 48 years old. One of the founding members of the Spice Girls group. She also had success as a solo artist with their album called Girl Like Me in 2017. She joined the judges. It's Panelena Group, one ABC Boys band. Apparently it's good, but obviously I've never heard of it. So these Spice Girls is good. Like I said, if you like that album, Panelon ABC Boys band, different type of music. I never heard it. Ryan Fry, it's from Sheffield. Well, good for him, I would say. The good song is The Look of Love, which will be on after the birthdays, after I finish with the birthdays. The fourth of this week is, she's a pop singer. She is a 26-year-old, and she is an X Factor. X Factor. The first thing comes to mind is Simon Cowell.
Of course, yeah, Don.
Yes. First season as an actress. She played the character in Nikki in the 2015 TV movie Invisible SR and began airing as Fakia Winston in the ABC series Schooled. ABC series? Hold on a minute. ABC group again? You kidding me? Never heard of that group again, like I said early on. She made her first stage performance at the age of 6. Age of 6? I can't even do singing at 6 ages old. And sang her first song when she was 18 months years old. 18 months years old. You kidding me? That's only 1 year but after me. 18. She released her debut album on June 26, 2012. She made a guest appearance at the Wendy Williams Show. Anyone knows Wendy Williams Show?
No.
Well, that's all I'm going to say is, what on earth is that? She released her debut album on June the 26th, 2012. And final for this week is, he is a rock singer. He was a rock singer, but sadly he passed away. He was living in America, New York. He's 83 years old, poor you. He was one of the most successful. He was one of the most contemporary artists in the history. Well done, I would say. He was 12.5 million record, and he known for hits like Sweet Caroline, and he is in America. America is actually the song, by the way. Well, hopefully all of you got the nice birthday. Now we got the answers for the birthday quiz. Well, the first one, if you pay attention, that is Gary Barlow from Take That group. The second one is Luke Littler, by the way, dart player. The third one is Emma Bunton, by the way, it is a Spice Girls group singer. And Rachel Crow is an X Factor actor. And Neil Diamond has sadly passed away. He is a rock singer. That's all we got for this week. Goodbye. The next song is Look of Love by ABC, what we just talked about earlier on, remember?
And gravity won't pull you through. You know you're missing out on something. Well, that something depends on you. All I'm saying, it takes a lot to love you. All I'm doing, you know it's true. All I mean now, there's one thing, yes, one thing that turns this gray sky to blue.
And then my friends just might ask me, Hey Martin, maybe one day you'll find true love. I say maybe, but there must be a solution to the one thing we can find.
Sisters and brothers should help each other. Heavens above, hip hip hooray! Yippee-yi, yippee-yi, yeah! Be lucky in love. Look of love.
Here is our travelling feature with Ethan.
Welcome back to Great American Railroad Journeys on the travel feature. We're going from Chicago, Illinois to the Twin Cities of Minnesota. Take the Amtrak Borealis to the Twin Cities. Now, turn back the clock 80 or 90 years ago to the Milwaukee Roads Hiawatha's. With trains going to the Twin Cities of Minnesota, that's the Twin Cities Hiawatha, Menoqua, Northwest Hiawatha, Otanagon, Chippewa, Hiawatha, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, or Omaha, Nebraska, Midwest Hiawatha, and Seattle, Washington, or Tacoma, Washington, Olympian Hiawatha, all decked up in orange, red, and cream color scheme, dubbed up by yours truly, Otto Cooler. The motive power are the Class A 442s, Class G 460s, Class F3 462s, and F7 464s. For the more modern stuff, you got the Fairbanks Morris Erie build A1A A1A diesels, with the Olympian Hiawatha done by Brooks Stevens. But today, you're on a Borealis, meaning you didn't have orange, red, and cream streamliners of 90 years ago. Once at the Twin Cities, you'll know you got there on what used to be orange, red, and cream streamliners. The trip will take you 7.5 hours and cost you £130, or in 1935 money, £1.43. The next song is Laid by James.
I found you sleeping next to me. I thought
there, Laid by James. Now we are moving on to our Guess Your Year quiz, where you have to do, where we play out a different year and you have to guess which year it is.
Guess the year.
Developer Woody.
Now the biggest show of the year was X-Files.
And the biggest song of this year was Mr. Vain by Culture Beats. Also, there were songs such as Go West by the Pet Shop Boys and Moving On Up by M People.
Biggest movie was Jurassic Park.
Also, it was a year that the World Wide Web was invented, and people would search up different things on the internet back then. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the Guess Your Year quiz for today, and the answer for the year will be revealed in the mystery song answers and Guess Your Year answers. The next song here now is Bring Me Sunshine by, who is it, Dylan?
Looking away.
Bring me sunshine in your smile. Bring me laughter all the while. In this world where we live, there should be more happiness. So much joy you can give to each brand new bright tomorrow. Make me happy through the years. Never bring me any tears. Let your arms be as warm as the sun from up above. Bring me fun, bring me sunshine, bring me love. Bring me sunshine in your smile. Bring me laughter all the while. In this world where we live, there should be more happiness. So much joy you can give to each brand new bright tomorrow. Make me happy through the years. Never bring me any tears. Let your arms be as warm as the sun from up above. Bring me fun, bring me sunshine, bring me love, sweet love. Bring me fun, bring me sunshine, bring me love.
That was Bring Me Sunshine by Baroque Baron Wise. Now we got news from around the school.
News from around the school.
First up, Ashan from Caintree's voluntary work at St. David's Hospice charity shop. Next up, we got rugby, tag rugby, he with Big J. It's at 3:15 p.m. to 4:15 p.m. You might think this is getting over repetitive. I knew, but that's what you got for people who never knew of it. But for people who knew about it, you just got absolutely spoiled. Also, there is the Jesse Hughes Youth Club in Holyhead, which run by Iswin Owen, and it's £1 if you want to join. If you think I sounded like a broken record, I'm unfortunate. And I'm back in Caib after my operation for me bone-anchored hearing aid operation, which on December 23rd. The next song is Don't Stop Believin' by Journey. I hope you sing along with this song, cause it's always stuck in me ears.
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. a singer in a smoky room, the smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard, their shadows searching in the night. Streetlights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Working hard to get my fill. Everybody wants a thrill, paying anything to roll the dice just one more time. Some will win, some will lose. Some are born to sing the blues. Oh, the movie never ends. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard, their shadows searching in the night. Streetlights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Streetlight people. Don't stop believing. Hold on. Streetlight people. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling.
That it was Don't Stop Believing by Journey. Now, here is the guess the song answers. Thank you, Keon, for that. And now we've got the guess the song answers. So our first song today was Suspicious Minds by Elvis Presley. Is This a Way to Amarillo by Tony Krisky. Dancehall Days by Wang Chung. And I'm Free by the Soup Dragons. And Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. And our year for this year was 1993, if you got the year correct. And now, here are the movie quiz winners.
Well, number 9 of the music answers is
You guessed it?
Drum roll. Sorry, Mr.
You guessed
Hughes.
it was Mr. Hughes.
Yeah.
And number 8 for this week, Dylan.
Cannot in.
Number 7, Max.
Take die.
Number 6, Ethan.
Kate Patois.
Number 5, Peter.
Da. Kate. Da.
Number 4, Hyun.
Mr. T.
Number 3, Ethan.
Dwayne Wen.
Number 2, Dylan.
Cannot die. Hurrah free. Hurrah die. Hurrah in. Ah.
And number 1, drum roll, please. Number 1 today is Conrad Pedro. Good luck for winning our music quiz for this week. And the topic will be different next week. And we're not going to say which topic it is. Our next song here now is Sabona Vegan, no Squinnev.
Sgensi hanner awr sebon a fi A'n cofio rhan hen bethau sydd yn boeni pawb Ond bryd yn y ben draw ydyn ni Am y bywyd mor braf Blas y grawn ni'n gryf y gwyn y cwmni'n laf Am y bywyd mor braf Blas y grawn ni'n gryf y gwyn y cwmni'n laf Can ar ganif gadw ni'n lan Dal yn dyn yn ragedd a ffyn sy'n disgyn rownd y ben Yn cofio fo'n y werth i ddwyn Cwys da ni gyd yn redag fel rhyw lygod mawr Os gen ti hanner awr sebon a fi Ond cofio rhan un bethau sydd yn poeni pawb Ond bryd yn y ben draw ydyn ni Am y bywyd mor braf Blas y grawn wyn yn gryf y gwyn y cwmni'n fach Am y bywyd mor braf Blas y grawn wyn yn gryf y gwyn y cwmni'n fach Cwys da ni gyd yn redag fel rhyw lygod mawr Os gen ti hanner awr sebon a fi Ond cofio rhan un bethau sydd yn poeni pawb Ond bryd yn y pen draw ydyn ni Am y bywyd mor, am y bywyd mor, am y bywyd mor braf Am y bywyd mor braf Blas y grawn wyn yn gryf y gwyn y cwmni'n fach Am y bywyd mor braf Blas y grawn wyn yn gryf y gwyn y cwmni'n
Everyone, I'm here with some news from around the world. First up, water supplies have been restored in North Wales in areas such as Colwyn Bay and Llandudno. Also, today is Trump's first day in the office. He's officially the 47th president in the US. And I hope his second term will be better than the first term. Greg's set to raise prices across his menus. The company said they are having through some higher costs to customers. And of course, speaking of which news, Lidl has celebrated 125th anniversary and they made a 2025 Volume 1 catalogue. And my goodness, the bottles there are Eva Bonnie certified. You got the Vision Hudson pre-war set, $23.99. And then into the Vision line range in the O-scale lineup, you get the new Vision line Hudson. The Niagara Falls Deluxe set will retail you $35.99.96. But the 20th Century Limited set, oh my goodness, it will send you back $63.99.95. Basically making a most of your money, nearly $6,400 worth for a gosh darn 20th Century Limited. And I would gladly certify the New York Central Vision Hudson number 5315, the one with the white lining. Anyway, that's all for today. Now on to Max and Peter with the sports.
Hello, my name's Max.
And I'm here. You have either for the good about things and now he is here for the stuff update. So the cockpit is for back wheel code for to be allowed with it. And to so what horses got to the Phoebe in the new for the 2025. The horse of the top starting to win versus KTA. The top after the access. This has 8 times of also gold medal and the world ruffles holds in the 100 meter and 200 meter and 4 times the 100 meters. The quarter is 4 times the 100 meters with greater. It's the only race to win of the 100 meters and 200 meters is also the 2008, 2012 and 2050. The time they win and 4 times the 100 meters with gold medal.
Argentina goalkeeper Martinez was over the goal. Go. And not time team win of the of in winners of the World Cup. The next song is The Tide is High by Blondie.
The tide
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
Okay, so we're now back here on Radio Archive, and this week we are now back in the interview. And this week's special guest here on Radio Archive is Tamara from Cynradd. Hello, Tamara. How are you doing today?
Hi, I'm doing good, thank you.
Hello.
Hello, Tamara.
Hello, Tamara.
Okay, so our first question we got here for you today is, how much money did you make while you're selling puppies?
Not enough for what they're worth, but I made 2004.
Ooh.
One of your sausage dogs is the tallest.
Well, they're all pretty short, so I would have to say Cooper, the oldest boy.
What are your sausage dogs called?
Well, I have 3 sausage dogs. The oldest is called Cooper. Then I have a girl called Connie and a baby called Kelt.
Ah.
How long did you work in Kybe?
I've worked in Kybe for 2.5 years.
That's not long, though.
No, that's not long, no, Dion.
No.
No. What is your favourite album and why?
My favourite album is Jerry Cinnamon's The Bonnie.
Yeah.
Because when I went to see him, it was just amazing. Best day of my life.
Where would be your favourite place to go on holiday and why?
My favourite place to go on holiday would be Turkey, because it's nice and sunny.
What would you like to do in Turkey?
I would sunbathe, and I'd eat loads of food.
Not to be confused with the food and chicken called turkeys, because they go gobble, 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 gobble.
What type of food would you eat?
Well, they have this like balloon bread, and it's lovely. It comes with loads of little dips, and that's my favourite food from Turkey.
What is balloon bread?
So it's a bread that comes in the middle of the table.
Yeah.
That's about 30 centimetres long. That's
Whoa.
a bit balloon, like, so it's blown up. Like, it's really nice.
I never tried that one.
No, let's go.
No.
Because we've never been to Turkey.
Ethan, have you tried it?
No.
Would you go to Turkey?
Yes, I would if I got the opportunity. Would you go to Turkey, Dylan?
Yeah.
And you, Ethan?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't want to confuse myself with turkeys, the chickens, and the food. Do you do more jobs other than working in Kybe?
Well, I do support work with some children from this school and then some from Holyhead, where I live.
Which children from our school do you do support with?
I do Siwan Ponsonbury.
We know that, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we know
We
that.
see you in rugby
Yeah.
every Wednesday.
I really enjoy rugby.
Yeah.
Do you want more dogs?
Of course I do. If I could have 10 dogs, I would. I love dogs.
Which type of dogs would you get?
Well, obviously, I'd get more sausage dogs, but I would love a Staffy, a Staffordshire Bull Terrier. I'd love one.
What is your favourite cake?
My favourite cake is an old school sponge cake
Oh,
with some custard.
that is nice.
That is nice.
What's your
isn't
favourite cake, Oshan?
it? Oh, it's gotta be brownie with custard.
Oh, what about you, Dylan?
Chocolate cake with custard.
Ethan?
Red velvet cake.
Mine would have to be chocolate cake with a lot of custard.
Yeah. What type of chocolate cake?
Oh, that has to be a Swiss roll, maybe?
What type of chocolate cake for you, Dylan? Fudge cake, something like
Fudge.
that.
Fudge cake?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
What type of red velvet cake would you like, Ethan?
Usually ones without icing.
Do you like icing, Ethan?
No, because I'm a picky person.
Icing's really good.
Yeah, you're missing out, Ethan.
Yeah. And our 10th and final question for you today is, which song would you like to finish off Radio Card with this week?
The song I'd like is Bronwen TRV.
Okay, so we're going to end off this week's show with TRV by Front One. Thank you, Tamara, for this to be with us this week.
Well, thank you. I very enjoyed it so much.
You're welcome, and we've got very special guests interviewing us next week. And can you guess who they are? and we will tell you on week 17. So, it's bye from me.
Bye.
Bye.
Sayonara.
And we'll see you next week for another edition of Radio Kaib. Take care.
Gwylaf nawr y machlud hael, cerddon ni am yn ail dan y gilydd. Todd ei canol yng ngalon ni, gwylaf ddyfodol y cadar ni'n glir nawr. Pan ddawr nws cwympan ysgafn arna hi, dal yn dyn i nwylo i, a mae'n hoes. Edrycha i fy llygau di, rod y gariad llawen i mi. Dwi'n dy gari di ers oes, ti a fi, ti a fi, ti a fi. Ti a fi, ti a fi, ti a fi. Brwydro nawr am amser mae ti a fi ar un daith dan y gilydd. Heb droed y gefn arna i, trwy pob peth arosais ti yn ffyddlon. Pan ddawr nws cwympan ysgafn arna i, dal yn dyn i nwylo i, a mae'n hoes. Edrycha i fy llygau di, rod y gariad llawen i mi. Dwi'n dy gari di ers oes, ti a fi, ti a fi, ti a fi. Ti a fi, ti a fi, ti a fi. Sef af gyda thi, dim ond ti a fi. Wrth y ffroed y wyneb di, mae bob peth yn iawn, mae fy ngalon yn llawn. Gwylaf nawr y machlud hael, cerddon ni am yn ail dan y gilydd. Ti a fi, ti a fi, ti a fi. Ti a fi, ti a fi, ti a fi. Ti a fi, ti a fi, ti a fi. Ti a fi, ti a fi, ti a fi.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Kaib, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
تحية
Radio Kaib.